Okay, today we're going out. Okay. Wait. Okay, come on. What is that girl doing? Oh, good morning, Lisa. Good morning. Oh, can you do it by yourself? It's okay, thanks. Monica, what do we eat breakfast? I don't know. Let's go to the second floor. Okay. What? Yeah, I love it. Well, that is my daily routine. What? Is it a door? What? Ah! What? What's this? Is it a secret? What is this? I want to get out right now. I'm walking. Oh yeah. That was so good. I'm here too. Oh, sorry. What did we just hear on the... Wow. This is so cool. Wow. This is so cool, right? Wait for us. What are you so okay. Nah, how about my pet? What is she doing? Oh, she's okay. Oh, you are so cute. Yeah, so you can sleep over here. Aww. Yeah, Naka. I want to eat something. Okay. I'm just what do you want to eat? I want to eat ice cream. No ice cream here. How about vegetables? No, I'm just not going to eat anything now. What? Oh, come on, everyone. I can do my video game. Clevy, come on. I can play with you right here. Boo! Ah! Meow! Shh. Boo. I don't like this. What is this? It's just this. Beep. That cat is evil. Where's that cat? What? I get you. What in the world is this cat? This is too strong. Catty. Cat. What is this cat? Okay, get out here. Where's the catty? Jump! Run away! What is this? Jump! Oh, I'm hungry. Me too. What do we eat? I want to eat mushroom. Mushroom? No mushroom. Oh, okay. I'm going to eat. What is this? Hey, Rosa. What? Oh, thanks. Mushrooms. Ooh, tofu. We can eat tofu. Okay. Here. No. That was yummy. What? Daddy, help! There's no daddy. She's in work. No! Jump! Somebody help! So scary. No, that's an evil cat. No. That's an evil cat. I'm going to the pet work. I'm going to buy some real pets everywhere. There's a cute cat over here, cat over here. And I'm going to buy this. Okay, sir. Thanks, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Where's Asta? I have more cats here. No, that's an evil cat Boo! No! Get away, shoo. Thanks. Not thanks! I want to shoot them! What I just do with the cats? They're too evil! Get away right now! What are we doing there to the cats? Well, there's space. They Mommy, help, help. No! She's so cute. How about us? She's so cute. Let's sleep with her today. Okay, come on. Let's sleep right now. That cat is really evil. Today I'm going to eat the snacks tonight. Okay, let's eat. Where's the kitchen? Yeah, time to sleep. Yes, snacks. What? No snacks. I'm just going to buy it. Magic. Stick around and make some snacks. Snacky snack. Really delicious snacky snack. Snack is coming right now. Please. Come on, snack is coming right now. Please. Really, please, snack. Wow, there's a lot of snacks. Wow. Nom. Ice cream. Nom. Ice cream. Nom. Ice cream. Nom. Yummy. But no, mommy is the best. I want to go alone. I want to be alone. Yummy. I'm sleepy. What happened? Yay, today's Roombas Cafe. What I'm just going to eat today. Yum. Ooh, what? What is that? What? Huh? What? The heart? Here, heart. What? Heart. It's staying here, alone. The heart is staying here. I'm so hungry. I want snacks. The best snack. Roombas Cafe is the best cafe in the world. I can get everything I want. No, mommy is the really best. Yum. It's time to close. Oh, it's time to close. Come on, everyone. Oh, it's time to close. What? Is that the dream? What? Oh no, oh no. Wait, I need to say sorry to Mom. But I eat so many junk food. Oh no. What? Yuck. What is that smell? Yuck. What does it? What is that smell? Yucky. What? Stinky! No, what do you just do? Go to toilet, you. Yuck. What is in the world? What in the world is this? Okay. I want to sleep again. Goodbye. What? It's morning? Oh, it's morning. Come on, everyone wake up. Everyone wake up. What? Oh, okay. Oh, you are so cute. Okay. Everyone, goodbye to the next Video. Goodbye. Goodbye. No! Run away! To the next video, everyone. That is a. Do you like it? Just subscribe, everyone. Goodbye.